Hi everyone, we are now on our next sort. So this says heat energy sort. Color the pictures, cut out the pictures at the bottom, sort them into the correct column. So we have heat energy, not heat energy. We have a stove, ice, a toaster, an iron, hot cocoa, juice box, sun, sock, candle, and yarn. And actually, before we do that, let me go back to this. So I totally forgot to do the sun. The sun is our biggest form of heat. So we could have drawn the sun here. You could do a stove, any of those other things to fill that in. So you can go ahead and pause the video. I'm just going to cut out these out, and then we'll go over that. So go ahead and pause the video at this point. You can do it on your own, and then when you're ready to see if you did it right, turn on the video again. Okay, so I'm back. I was able to cut these out. Hopefully you filled yours out so you can check how you did. So yarn. Yarn is not heat energy. Hot cocoa. It is heat energy because of the steam. So this one's a little trickier. See the steam coming up? That's heat energy. The hot cocoa is hot. A candle is heat energy. An iron is heat energy. It's plugged into electricity, which is heat. Sock? No, that's just a sock. A toaster would be heat energy, plugs into the electricity. And then the sun. The sun would be heat energy. An ice cube is not. A juice box is not. But a stove is. Okay. So hopefully you were able to do that along with me. Bye everyone.